In this video, we will stay close to the camp, look at real estate oceanside, walk the dogs, as Steph takes to the sea.
Well, good morning. It is about 7:30 and we're gonna go for a walk on the beach. We've got our doggy friends and Boots over there. This guy here, the big one, he has come to greet us every morning at the bus door. Están de la playa. Buenos dias. Yeah, he's come to greet us every morning for the past few days. And just walks in the front door. And this morning, without any hesitation, he hopped right onto the bed. Hey, bud? Are you a troublemaker?
Kind of barked at that guy, eh?
Yeah. Oh, this is Louie, big brown guy. He's decided to join us for our walk this morning. Louie belongs to Tyler and Melly, who are from Roberts Creek on the Sunshine Coast, and they know Guy, Sarah, and Ken, and they've got some bikes, and I've never ridden in sand before, so that's gonna be fun. I think we're gonna go out today for a little ride, test it out, check out some beaches around close to San Felipe. So we'll see how that goes. But until then, let's enjoy the beach. Louie! Come on!
You trying to get the birds?
No, you don't have a life jacket, eh?
I know how to swim.
Oh, that's good.
Probably in water waist deep.
This morning's activity, going for a little paddleboard. Last time I paddled here, these rocks were just full of pelicans, but there's just a few this morning. Good morning, pelicans.
Well, I'm trying to edit some videos here, and I had a celebrity guest, visitor here. Yeah, someone's found his way into the bus, get scratches. He's quite the independent little sucker, but of all the beach dog, he's the one who likes affection the most. Our amazing new friends at camp, who are longtime friends of Guy, the Baja racer, tip us off about a great local riding destination. Ken plays tour guide, and we go looking for a canyon. I set our gap by if I can hear her on my intercom.
Yeah. Your mic's quiet enough for that?
It takes a little less than 15 minutes to get to our destination, a hill to get stuck on. Did you get your pants?
Yeah, that's okay. Just build up my boot a little bit. My right leg's a little lighter anyways, it's okay.
Are there more like that, or just that one?
That's it.
Okay.
I always wonder what happens at locations like this, why and how they become abandoned.
So, when Sarah's talking about a ridge, is it like along here?
Well,
or?
this is what she's talking about, really.
Okay.
There is the road down there, but I wouldn't recommend you go down there. You can go down through the sand and drop down to the beach. You'll be fine. It's right at the beach. Might be a little tricky, but. And if you want to get some, I know Sarah did some videos of Nikki driving through the building here. It was kind of cool. Kind of like Romaniacs sort of thing.
Before descending into the canyon, we search out the ridgeline trail to the beach.
She was talking about, see the tops of those things there?
Yeah.
There's a trail along the top of those. Come to think of it. This is the softest sand in San Felipe, I think.
The far side along the road, when you drop down, it's all like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the far side of town there. Yeah. Yeah, that one dune might even be finer than this too.
Mm-hmm.
This is the canyon just goes back up to where you got stuck.
Okay.
You just turn right and go up the hill. It's not nearly as hard as where you went up.
Oh yeah, if I stay right and then zigzag back up? Yeah.
Yeah.
Just overshoot it, turn around and get drive and you can go right up it.
Yeah. Well, I'll leave you to it. If that's okay with you.
Yep.
You know your way back, right?
Yep.
I'm sure you found your way back in Panama. You can find your way back from here.
I guess you have your Gaia, right?
Yeah, I know how to get out of here. No problem.
run back to camp, but we will be returning soon.
Join us next time when we see if our CRF 250s can ride Baja 1000 racetracks. Alright, the day is getting late. We're losing the sun. We're abandoning our plans of going up this trail. Get ready? 1, 2, 3.
We get joined by 2 more Canadian racers, Tyler and Melly, who totally rock. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.